The membership is great, but we also offering a mentorship program.
The mentorship is one-on-one. Instead of you doing it by yourself, we are going to do it with you, done with you.
We'll walk you through the whole process on how to build your own short-term rental business, how to leverage business credit, how to flip a property, how to find your lenders, and how to build new construction homes.
So if you're looking for that component where you're guided by people who have been there and done that, then this mentorship is for you.
We offer 3 different packages: silver, gold, and platinum. In the gold and platinum packages, we partner with you on the deal in order for you to gain your confidence and be able to walk away and do your own deals.
In the silver package, we are going to be helping you from A to Z, establishing your business, applying for your EIN, creating your operating agreement, a holding company that actually owns your LLCs so that you could be set up properly for asset protection.
We also have testimonies from our previous mentees who partnered with us and walked away with double-digit profit.
So if this sounds like a mentorship for you, if you resonate with what we're talking about, if you want that one-on-one guidance to get you to where you want to be, which is generational wealth, which is where you're going to actually preserve the generational wealth, because it's one thing for you to make the money, but the most powerful thing is for you to keep the money for generations and decades to come. So we will guide you through that entire process. This is a one-time offer for you to enroll in our mentorship now.
7 ways to wealth, mentorship and membership. Are you ready?